Welcome to Simply Easy Cooking. Today we're making creamy mashed potatoes. They're classic, delicious, and always a hit. Let's get cooking. Start by placing 8 peeled and sliced potatoes into a pot. Once they're in, go ahead and add enough water to cover them. Bring it to a boil over high heat and let them cook for about 45 minutes, or until they're nice and tender. Once they're done, drain the potatoes and transfer them into a bowl. Next, sprinkle in some black pepper. From there, go ahead and add some salt. After that, season with a bit of garlic powder. Next, add 2 tablespoons of butter to the bowl. Then go ahead and add about 1/4 cup of shredded cheese. To finish it off, pour in 1/4 cup of milk. Now mash everything together until it's smooth, creamy, and ready to serve. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed making these creamy mashed potatoes. Be sure to like and subscribe for more simple and delicious recipes. See you next time.